The Max socket is the first tamper-resistant socket which allows you to rotate your plugs 180 degrees and fits in a standard Decora-style wall plate. Turn that nightlight over and plug in that hairdryer. Big and bulky chargers totally fit into this innovative socket. I've wanted to do that. The Max socket is equipped with 2 USB chargers, so throw out that old phone charger and fill this socket to the Max. Effortlessly wires for a single wire configuration. Spaciously fits into a standard wall box. After installed, the Max socket is aesthetically pleasing. Nice. Max socket, 180 degree plug rotation, tamper resistant shutters, 125 volt 15 amp receptacles, 2 high amp USB chargers, inexpensive and durable design. A smarter socket for the future tech home.